Welcome to our technical presentation of the latest power supply unit from akYtec, the PASF-60.24. Engineered with precision and reliability at its core, this device is designed to meet diverse industrial needs. It operates seamlessly if its power supply is in range from 85 to 264 volts AC or 110 to 370 volts DC. With a wide temperature range from a chilling -40 Celsius to a scorching +70 Celsius, it ensures reliability in diverse environments. It also features a parallel operation capability, enabling seamless parallel connection for increased output power without additional equipment. Let's first take a look at it from all sides and then discuss its features. The first and simplest point to note is the convenient mounting options for the power supply on site. You can either use a DIN rail mount or secure it on a flat surface with two fasteners. Now, let's examine the front of the device. There are two LEDs on the body that help you understand the device status at a glance. The output LED lights up green when everything is normal, turns yellow if there is a slight overload, and switches off if the protection has been tripped. The overload LED will blink red if the device protection has tripped. Under the protective covers, at the top of the device, there are two terminals for plus and minus 24 volts DC and a discrete output for monitoring irregular situations. This changeover relay and output DO1A will be opened in normal mode and closed in overload mode, and DO1C, conversely, will be closed during normal operation and open during overload. At the bottom right, there is an output voltage adjustment screw, which allows you to make adjustments within a range of ±8% of rated voltage. At the bottom, things are simpler. There are three screws for powering the power supply from 230 volts AC. First is phase, second is neutral, and the function grounding is third. Now, let's start our small test by powering up our mini PLC PR200 with power supply PASF-60.24. Looks pretty good. Here we have our power situation LEDs, which are connected to the DO1A and DO1C of the power supply, and a big scary red button to simulate a short circuit. Deaf for many cheaper power supplies. We are going to use it now, and as you see, the power supply just turned off its power output and signals that something is wrong. Looks pretty boring, so let's add some sparkling to our show. If you have a monitoring system, records will indicate that something happened here thanks to that DO. Such a pretty view, isn't it? That concludes our presentation on the PASF-60.24. Thank you for watching. For more information or to place an order for this or other devices, visit our website or just contact our sales team. See you.